Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a fashion haul and it's from Zara. It's not a try on haul, so I won't be trying all the clothing that I'll be showing you today, but I'll share what pieces I have ordered and I have received them few days ago. And please keep in mind I have ordered these packages before quarantine, and if not before quarantine, in the starting of this lockdown period. So it was stopped, the delivery was not made, and I just got these delivery few days back, so I have not shopped anything right now. It's all the pending and the before deliveries which I'm getting right now. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that I've ordered are these wide leg, huge, very loose and comfortable palazzos pants. It's ulta because I did try on these things. So it's a very super long and super loose and comfortable palazzo pant. I love these kind of a pants, especially in my body shape. These are of very good material. It's little extra long on me, so I have to get the length alteration. It's very soft and this is a basic piece, so it can be styled in various ways, and I just love something so basic having in my wardrobe. Another thing I've ordered is a basic as well. It's a white mom jeans or a white, very loose white leg jeans. As you can see, it's white leg and it's white. This is also a very good basic to have in your wardrobe because one basic bottom can make a lot of outfit and you can never go bored. I tend to collect some basic pieces because I don't like wearing a lot of prints and all, because with those kind of prints and outfit you get very limited option, and I'm a kind of girl who stick to my basics, so go back and buy the basic over and over again. Zara has some very good quality jeans and it's a good investment. If you want a very good quality, comfortable and long term quality, then you should go for Zara. And Zara do have sales quite often, so if you're worried about the price, as if it's not that expensive, I'll say for the jeans, because अच्छी quality की jeans ऐसी भी बहुत महंगी आती है. This is still budget friendly, and if not, you can wait for the sale and definitely it will be the cheapest jeans you have ever owned. Okay, so I have got two skirts because I love wearing skirts. These are very flowy, very comfortable, and still I can make some different kind of outfit using one skirt. So I have ordered two skirts. One of the skirt is this a very pretty yellow satiny skirt. It's below the knees. The material has some weight to it, which is very good because materials that have weight to it will give you a very good fall on your body. It won't be flying away here and there, and your body पे ऐसा material बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बैठता है. So yes, this skirt is very nice. Skirt that I have ordered is again below the ankle because I don't wear short skirts. So this is below the leg skirt and it's a flowy pleated skirt, and the material is beautiful. It's like a cheetah print. Can you see? It's like a cheetah print, but it's in beautiful lilac color. I wanted this color from past 2 months, I guess, because everywhere, I think this is the color of 2020, but I am obsessed with this color. Perfect for summer and summer outfit. With the pop of color, you can do amazing fun eyeshadow looks and everything, and this looks amazing. Very light in weight and definitely a good quality. The skirt comes with a belt, which I'm not a fan of. The belt feels very cheap and plasticky. I don't know, it has all the crinkles and everything. When I'll wear it, I'll switch the belt for some other belt. Next is this very ruffly top, and I have some foundation stains here, so please ignore that. I was trying this yesterday and I was that dumb enough that I tried this while wearing a makeup, so ignore that. Apart from that, it's a new top. I love the ruffle detailing going on. It's cinch here on your waist, which is not cinch. It's just there to give some definition and structure to your body.
I don't know why am I buying so many whites. I have a lot of whites in my cupboard right now, and all are from Zara.
70% of my wardrobe is Zara, so you know how much I love Zara, and I love every white and black Zara makes, especially if it's something like this, basic yet so stylish. With basic colors, you can be so stylish. Basics are not boring. You should always invest in good basic, and a good pair of jeans, this will work for you in long terms. Prints aate hai, prints jate hai, but I'm not saying don't wear prints or don't go into fashion fast. Fashion is fast. It's coming very fast and you can expect it to leave the race very fast because it's fast fashion. But I will suggest you to invest in some good basic top I have. It's not a top, it's like a crop top. I really like the floral details on this, and again this is a touch of lilac in it, so yeah, clearly I'm obsessed with lilac colors right now. It's a beautiful crop top which I can wear inside some cool t-shirts or shirts. I won't be wearing it like that, I hope so, but yes, you can also wear these kind of crop top on top of your t-shirts and shirts. This is going to be handy for layering up my outfit and giving that pop of color to my plain, boring, basic outfit, which is not so boring because I love it. So yeah, I really like this crop top. The material is very thick and very good. It's well made, and again, it's my favorite. Last thing I have from Zara is a belt bag. This new kind of belt bags are going in trend, which have two purses together, a smaller one, another, this is also the smaller one, but two different kinds of wallet thingy going on here. And this does look very good if you're wearing a baggy shirt or a baggy t-shirt, super extra large t-shirt and baggy things like I do often. So it's very nice to cinch it up at your waist, and it does look very stylish. I think this is a very cool and really nice belt, and I'm very excited to wear these with some of my outfit.
Material is not leather. Is it leather? Is it leather? Oh, this is 100% leather. I hope you can see. This is 100% leather, but I think these are those cow leathers and all.
That's why this is a little expensive. But yeah, I really like this bag and I'm really excited to pair this with my basic outfit. So yes, that's all I have got. It's not a lot. Everything that I got is in the column for basic. Even the printed bottom I got, and the printed crop top I got, I'm going to pair it with a basic bottom or a basic top. So it still falls in a basic category. With these kind of pieces, I can wear over and over again and it won't be getting boring. It's a long-term investment, and I do like my clothing to be a collection of basic and good quality basics. So yeah, I take these things as my investment. So yeah, don't judge me on that. I am not shopping unnecessary. I have also gained some weight, so I need some new clothes to put on because purane nahi aa rahe. So if you go shopping, shop very carefully. Don't shop without thinking, just shop what you need. I hope you are staying at home and not going out unnecessary. आप बाहर जाए जब आपको काम है, जब आपको ज़रूरत है, but not unnecessary. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video, and yeah, I'll take a leave and I'll see you next time. Bye.